Let's talk about the morning rush. You know, that daily chaos that can make or break your entire day. Well, today we're going to look at a super simple breakfast idea that could totally transform those hectic mornings into a calm, energized start to your day. Let's get right into it.
All right, first up, an honest question for you. Think about your morning. Did you maybe hit snooze a few too many times? Did you find yourself choosing between 5 more minutes of sleep and actually eating a real meal? Look, for so many of us, breakfast is the first thing that gets tossed out the window in that daily race against the clock.
And this is the feeling, right? That constant pressure. The clock is ticking, you can't find your keys, you're scrambling just to get out the door. It's this frantic, stressful energy. And you know what? It sets the tone for your whole day.
Yeah, it's not just a feeling. It's the reality for a lot of people. It's like we're in a daily war with time, especially first thing in the morning. And in that battle, a healthy start to the day is, unfortunately, often the very first casualty.
So this really gets to the heart of the problem. We're all trying to solve the same tricky puzzle. We need something quick, because we have zero time. It has to be easy, because let's be honest, our brains aren't exactly firing on all cylinders yet. And we all know it should be healthy. But finding something that checks all 3 of those boxes, it can feel completely impossible. But what if there was a way to actually win that war? A way to get quick, easy, and healthy every single morning without fail? Well, let's take a look at the solution our sources are pointing to.
And here it is, 10 minutes. That's it. That's the core promise. We're not talking about some complicated long-term plan. We're talking about a small, totally achievable chunk of time that can fundamentally change how your morning feels.
So remember that chaotic, stressful heat from before? This is the exact opposite. This is controlled. This is one single, focused action. It's the simple, calm act of making something nourishing for yourself. It's all about taking back control from that morning chaos with just one simple step.
And this brings us to the big idea here, the repeated daily breakfast. Now, this isn't about one specific, rigid recipe. Think of it more like a framework, a blueprint for a meal that's so simple and so satisfying that making it just becomes a natural, effortless habit. Something built around a base, like high-protein eggs, or maybe some fiber-rich oatmeal. Something you can whip up in minutes and tweak just enough so you never get bored.
So what's the big deal? What makes this 10-minute habit so incredibly powerful? Let's break down the actual benefits you get from this one simple meal.
Well, for starters, this thing is a nutritional powerhouse. Our sources point out that it's high in protein, which is going to keep you feeling full and focused. It's also rich in fiber, which is great for digestion. And because it keeps you so satisfied, it's actually weight loss friendly. It helps you steer clear of those unhealthy mid-morning snacks.
And check out how versatile this concept is. It's not just for breakfast, not by a long shot. The sources are clear that this idea works great for a quick dinner when you're tired. You can pack it in a kid's lunchbox or just have it for a simple, healthy lunch. It's a super flexible solution for healthy eating any time of day.
Let's just put it side by side. On the left, you have the typical breakfast, often sugary, processed, and it almost always leads to that awful mid-morning energy crash. Then on the right, you have the 10-minute solution. It's packed with nutrients, it's incredibly fast, and it's designed to give you sustained energy that powers you through your day. When you see it laid out like that, the choice is pretty obvious, isn't it?
Okay, so this all sounds really good in theory, but how do you actually turn it into a real, lasting habit? Let's jump into our final section and see just how simple it is.
The real beauty of this whole idea is its simplicity. It's literally 2 steps. Step 1, cook it once. Just find a simple, healthy meal that you actually enjoy. Maybe it's some avocado toast with an egg, or prepping some smoothie packs. Then, step 2, repeat it daily. The goal here is just consistency. When you remove the daily decision of, what am I going to eat for breakfast, you automatically create space for a calmer, better start to your day.
And honestly, that's the heart of it all. This isn't about trying to be some gourmet chef at 7 in the morning. It's not about perfection at all. It's about creating a simple, repeatable system that gives you a consistently better, calmer, and more energized morning, day after day after day.
So we've seen how a tiny 10-minute shift can have a huge impact. The power to rescue your morning from all that chaos is right there, waiting for you. So the only real question left is, how are you going to use it?